Hey friends, just a quick video here on showing you how I fixed a drawer. So these cabinet drawers we have, pretty much the only thing that's holding this front part on is these little staples in the side. And if this gets shut harder than normal, then the force of the drawer, the outside of the cabinet here, that slams, that hits that. And then all that force is going on here. So if someone shuts a little bit extra hard, then this happens here and it splits like this, and that comes off there. So what I did was, this was the back of the drawer, and then I just made that the front of the drawer. So I just took these off and switched them around so they're on the front. So I took, this was here, I took this off, put it back over on this, put it on this side, took these off, switched them around so that they used to be pointing off this way, and now so the front became the back. Then I attached this to this part, and then I'm gonna try to repair this. You can see though, just those little staples there was all that was holding it together, and I tried to glue it and stuff, so this broke in kind of a lot of places here. So I'm gonna try to kind of repair this if I can. Let me get some wood glue down in there. So I want to kind of, I'm getting a new drawer liner I'm putting in here, so I want to just kind of just not work upside down. There it does. Okay. So these clamps are super handy. Just want to make sure that all right. That's on there nice and good there. Do I have this one long enough or no? Doesn't look like it. And doesn't look like it. So I'm going to try, I saw something online where it says, maybe back that off just a hair. Oops, too much. Maybe if I try to get this a little bit more like that on there. Let's see. If I use something that's metal, if I grip onto this metal and then flatten, it should be more uniform on the thing. All right, so sorry. That should hopefully get a better uniformity of weight pressure distribution over the whole thing instead of just okay. So I saw a video where it was like, you take super glue, but then you add baking soda on there, and just like, it's the burliest thing ever. So I was going to give it a try. Okay, I hope I have enough super glue here. So I think we just put some super glue down, if it's going to work or not. Come on, baby. Okay, and then we'll put some baking soda on there. I'm gonna smooth that on there. Maybe try to pour some more on there. Oh, come on, I'm out. It's out on that one, darn it. Never fails. Trying to make a video. This one's like not runny. Maybe the more liquid. I think that's might be all I got in there. Darn it. Well, put that on there, I guess. Let's see what kind of bond that made there. Actually, it looks kind of burly, actually. It's already hardened. So this is the bottom of the drawer, so I'm not really caring about looks here. I'm tempted just to take this off, see what kind of bond that made. Yeah, let's do it. All right. All right, so, well, you saw it undid right there. Huh, because that's like rock solid. That's interesting. So it broke it. If I had the different super glue. So that stuff is like really, I don't understand. Because this is like rock solid on there. That's like super hard on there. So I'm not sure why that didn't hold, because it's like pretty gnarly. Ugh. Oh, I'm gonna have to go with some wood glue. I can't even open my wood glue thing here. Some pliers to open the wood glue. There we go. So, I mean, that stuff's like a rock. I don't understand. That's like really strong. I don't know how it pulled it apart there, honestly. Maybe it's just because it didn't take a bite onto this stuff. That's the only thing I can think of. But okay, so try to get some. We're just gonna wood glue this bad boy if I can. I don't know if it's gonna be kind of the same thing or not. Okay. So I think the super glue thing, if I had more super glue, I think it would have held nice if I would have just done a bead of super glue all the way across there. I don't really see it not just absolutely holding on there. That stuff's not, it's like plastic, almost like formed into like a plastic or something. Okay, there's that. Okay. I don't know if I need to. I wonder if it works with wood glue also. I'm just going to try to smooth this out here. Yummy. I don't know why it wouldn't. Okay, well, we're just going to let that dry. I wonder, would baking soda work with this? You know, while we're doing this, why the heck not, right? I'm going to put some here. Maybe the baking soda is different, though, on wood glue. I don't know, because not as liquid. That, so the super glue basically just is like liquid plastic. Seems like it just turned into plastic. So I don't know if this just like kind of allows it to dry faster or what. Dun, 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 dun. Interesting. Interesting. So I don't know. It says to clamp for 24 hours. So I'm not sure if the wood glue is going to help with this baking soda on there. That seems it's already tacky on top though. So you know what? I'm just going to let it, so I need to do my cabinets here. But the super glue thing, definitely pretty gnarly. If I would have, I think if I would have done a line across the whole part there, it would have held. That was like, it was literally, it turned into like plastic, hardened plastic on there. So anyways, my friend, that's how you fix the drawer. Just reverse, take off the front part and flip it onto the back, take these off and rotate them, just unscrew these, turn it around. And that way and then you tell, like if you have little ones and stuff and they slam the drawer sometimes, then when they get older and be like, hey, just don't slam the drawer because we only got one side left on this. Because if you can see, it's just those little tiny staples right here. That's all that is holding that whole drawer in there. And it's if it was into like solid wood, that might be better, but it's just this composite here on these cabinets. So, okay guys, thanks for watching this video. Hope it was interesting. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.